So it's been 3 years since we've been in Copenhagen, since our last event. It's great to be back here. Great to see so many friends, colleagues, partners from across the entire Nordic region. Here we are, Copenhagen Nordic Marketplace 2023.
We had an amazing event last night at the museum. It was fantastic to see so many people there. Had some very good meetings. It's very well organized, some very interesting buyers. So I'm looking forward to a fantastic day.
First of all, it was perfectly well organized, really well, all clear information, a lot of contacts, and I felt very welcomed here, and a lot of connections, new connections, and lovely to see everyone after a small break.
Just look around. This is where business is done. And you see so many old faces and you meet new people. And that interaction is where the creative spark that generates business in the future. And as great as virtual is, don't tell me that that can be done virtually. Because you meet somebody online virtually for the first time, you don't recognize them when you see them again. You meet someone face to face, you'll remember their face forever.
Well, we truly appreciate Nordic Tourism Collective for organizing this event, because it was truly very efficient, very interesting. We found new contacts, we found new ideas for our region. Thank you to the Paul and to Andy, and we hope that new amazing tourists will come to our region now.
It's good to get the feeling, not only to see people again, all the friends from the industry, but to really get a proper update and get the feeling of what's happening out there in the markets. There are so many different source markets represented here today, and this is what we need to know what's happening out there. So it's great to be here. Just to say we're ready to welcome all the guests at the hotels again, and we can't wait to see all the international travellers back in the cities in the Nordic region.
So we are here today, very curious to know what's happening within the tourism and hospitality industry, and also create awareness and share what we have to offer. I mean, we have had many interesting and curious conversations and meetings today. So I'm really looking forward and eager to follow up and see what this can lead to.
What an incredible day today. 27 meetings for each supplier and buyer. Everybody's now relaxing and having a drink and saying what a great day it was today. Incredible feedback, fantastic sponsors we've had today. We are so happy to have had this event in person once again in Copenhagen, and we're doing everything we can possible to arrange exactly the same, maybe a little bit bigger in 2024. Thanks to everybody that came, to our sponsors, and looking forward to seeing you all next year.